How you doing today? Nice to see you. Just another quick No Pro Joe how-to. So let's just say you want to set up a little YouTube studio, small room. Um, Very simple, not very expensive. I'm going to go ahead and give you a show of the layout of my room and show you what equipment I'm using and how much it cost to set up this little YouTube dream room. Stick around. All right. So, what are you going to need for your YouTube studio? You need a light, a camera, a lens, a tripod, a voice recorder to get good audio, and some window light. That's about it. And a video editor to edit your videos in. Other than that, there's really not much else you need to set it up. So this is what I'm working with here. Just a light stand and a light with a softbox Brawley and a daylight bulb. I have a Canon EOS M100 with a Sigma 30 millimeter 1.4. So it's got a very wide aperture, lets in a lot of light, allows me to shoot my videos at 100 ISO while also keeping the correct shutter speed for 24 frames per second. And I have a voice recorder, a Zoom H4n, and that's pretty much it. I got prices on everything, what it costs, and a total for each piece, and how much your YouTube studio would cost you if you set it up exactly like this one. And when I'm done, I just grab everything and I stick it over in the corner here like this, and that's it. And it sets up in like 5 minutes, and I'm ready to shoot videos. So, again, really quick video, just to give you a little showing of you don't need to have anything super high tech for your YouTube studio. All you really need are the things I'm showing you. All right. I hope this was helpful. Y'all have a great day. See you next time.